I get worried when people in the commission say, you can stream your messages, but we'll find them. Iyandothusa lonto. Akho nto wrong ngalonto, but iyandothusa because we are going a little bit above. Sivusa namasela la sifuna uwabamba. So the commission must be strict about that. We cannot allow the collapse of national security. Kukwizinto ekufuneka singazazi. Singabantu nje. But they are within the law. We know today that policemen cannot just take your messages without acquiring permission of the judge. It is called 205. Angisho? But there are things we don't need to know. Ukutulisela and how you get to be intercepted. Isela funeka libanjwe. Umanyelwe le phone yalo. Lileqwe liyongena apho lingena khona. But we don't want to know how a thief's been listened to. Zimfihlo ze state ezo. Those are secrets of the state. We implore on the judge to protect the security of the state. And we must not prevaricate, and we must not fudge the truth. Inyani mayivele yo. Umuntu aziphendulele ngenxa yakhe. Siyazibona izinto ziyathethwa pha. We have said as the ANC, we will not engage with what is happening inside the commission. The recent developments in the commission have balanced openness with in-camera session, protect witnesses, safety, and sensitive material. We're very happy about that. We're very happy about that. As long as that will lead us to the truth. We don't want the collapse of the state. This commission, when it is finished, we must get stronger and stronger as a nation and as the state. National security must not be sacrificed for expediency. Doing so corrodes the rule of law and the credibility of the state. The ANC position is clear, comrades, on policing. Government 1995-96 adopted National Crime Prevention Strategy, a holistic cabinet-mandated approach pairing effective law enforcement with prevention and institutional reform. In 1996, we said crime prevention is a national priority. We commend the police for the good work that they are doing. In a classic Marxist theory, comrades, law is part of the social superstructure, reflecting material relations under capitalism, and quote-unquote, the legal form mirrors commodity exchange and the abstract quality of legal subjects. From a Marxist-Leninist lens, upholding legality today is not to defer to bourgeoisie. It is material to protecting the democratic transition. So there can never be a state without the rule of law. There can never. And anyone who thinks that the rule of law is not fundamental in our project of the National Democratic Revolution, ufuna umkhabulo oqinileyo to understand why it is important that the rule of law must not collapse. Comrades, in conclusion, we support the Commission to do its work, to protect witnesses where needed and guard state secrets lawfully in the national interest. You understand that? We support the Commission to protect witnesses where needed and guard state secrets lawfully in the national interest. Those things must not collapse. And society must give this work a chance. Don't judge people. I know it is very tempting, but connect the dots. because that inquiry is in the open. But other people want to pass judgment, even right at the beginning. When the first witness came to the Madlanga Commission, there were many judges who had already made a determination. It might as well, people are correct, but give the commission a chance. That's what we believe in. And we don't want to give a running commentary alongside that, except the principles we have articulated as the ANC. We reject turning lawful governance into political theater. We must choose evidence, law, and institutional reform over conspiracy and spectacle. The ANC in Mpumalanga must make the challenge on implementing the action plan on local government. I've spoken at length about that. Comrades, we have said that Communist Party and its decision, we don't support as the ANC. Because the Communist Party, to come together, we have released a document, I hope you get it, by the NEC. It's called The Perspective of the ANC. Read that document. If you don't have it, I'll distribute it for you on WhatsApp. I don't belong to WhatsApp, but I'll find you there on WhatsApp groups. Read that. The reason why we think that theoretically and ideologically, it will be wrong for the party at this time when the ANC needs a united front. When the ANC is at its weakest, we have the Communist Party standing on its own. Ideologically, there is nothing that necessitates the party standing on its own. If the Communist Party says we are standing on our own because we are fighting for socialism, there's nothing we can do about it. It's their program. But if the party says we are standing because we're contesting state power, when the ANC pursues the National Democratic Revolution, we think that is incorrect, ideologically. Because we have all accepted that the vanguard here is the African National Congress. We are ngizwa. So once the party then says, Nati sikulento yenu, yet bona they pursue socialism, is wrong. We believe if they say, we stand on our own because we are pursuing socialist ideas, akonto sinoyenza ngalonto noba niyathanda, because the Communist Party is a political vanguard of the working class.